You are in danger of living a life so comfortable and soft that you will die without ever realizing your true potential. It's a lot more than mind over matter. It takes relentless self-discipline to schedule suffering into your day, every day. Denial is the ultimate comfort zone. The most important conversations you'll ever have are the ones you'll have with yourself. Pain unlocks a secret doorway in the mind, one that leads to both peak performance and beautiful silence. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Everyone fails sometimes, and life isn't supposed to be fair, much less bend to your every whim. You must recognize what you are about to do, highlight what you do not like about it, and spend time visualizing each and every obstacle you can. The ticket to victory often comes down to bringing your very best when you feel your worst. Most wars are won or lost in our own heads. It may be satisfactory, but that's another word for mediocrity. We're either getting better or we're getting worse. Breaking the shackles and stretching beyond our own perceived limits takes hard fucking work, oftentimes physical work, and when you put yourself on the line, self-doubt and pain will greet you with a stinging combination that will buckle your knees. Always be ready to adjust, recalibrate, and stay after it to become better, somehow.